Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export only a certain part of your video in CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a 20 seconds long video, but I want to export only, for example, 2 or 3 seconds of this videos right here. So what you need to do if you want to do the same is just go to where you want the part that you want to export. For example, I want to export this, so you're going to split the clip first and go to where you want the export. And okay, for example, till in here I'm going to split again. Okay, so I want to only export this part. So what you need to do is click on the clip that you want to export and right click, and here find range and choose select an area by clip. Now you're going to just click on the export button at the top. Okay, then you're going to just, I'm going to change the title first. Now you're going to click on export, then click on the open folder, and I'm going to show you how much the video is exported. Okay, so this is the video that I export, and let's see how many seconds it is. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the part that I export is only this part, and it's only 1 second. So that's basically it. That's how you can export only a part of your video in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.